Good
morning. Good morning. Can you hear me?
morning, Miss.
Okay. Are you ready for the exam? Yes. In your second period, you will have a periodic examination. Okay. How was your exams, Edwin?
Miss പറയുന്നത് ക്ലിയർ ഇല്ല.
ആർക്കും ക്ലിയർ ഇല്ല?
ക്ലിയർ ഉണ്ട് മിസ്സേ.
Okay. All of you type your attendance. Please type your attendance. Okay, any doubts regarding your examination? No. Okay, be ready for the exam. Okay, now we are going to take our new lesson. Okay, my cat knows karate. Okay, there is no need of revision for the exam because you just read your lessons carefully. Okay, if you read your lessons carefully, you will get the answers for all of your questions. Very easy questions. Okay. Now take page number 21 of your textbook. Okay. Shall we start? My cat knows karate. This is a poem written by Ken Nesbitt. Have you heard about Ken Nesbitt? No. Ken Nesbitt is an American poet. Okay. He's an American poet. He wrote many poems for children. And his poems are always humorous. Humorous things are there in his poems. Humorous means, did you know what is humorous in theme? Humorous. Anyone? Humor. In films, you know that humor, isn't it? Humor means something that makes you laugh. Yes, isn't it? This is a humorous poem written by Ken Nesbitt. My cat knows karate is a humorous poem written by Ken Nesbitt. In humorous poem, we will get an element for laugh. Then it will not be a real one, not a realistic poem. It will not be a realistic poem. It will be an exaggerated one or illogical. There is no logic in this type of poems, humorous poems sometimes. Okay. Now we can read the poem carefully. Please listen carefully. My cat knows karate. My cat knows karate. My frog knows kung fu. My poodle knows judo. My turtle does too. They all became black belts by watching TV. some Chuck Norris movies and films with Bruce Lee. They liked learning lessons from Jean-Claude Van Damme and acting like action film star Jackie Chan. They practiced their punches, their blocks, and their kicks until they were masters of martial arts tricks. You would think they would be good now at guarding our house. But yesterday morning, they ran from my house. My mouse is a crack-up. I laughed at his prank. Do you think it's weird that my mouse drives a tank? Did you get any idea from this poem? Any idea? What the poet is speaking about? Here in this poem, what the poet is speaking about? Poet is speaking about cat, frog, poodle, turtle, which means these all are the pets of poet, isn't it? Here the poet is speaking about his pets. Okay, is it clear? Okay, all of you please turn on your videos. Don't forget to type present in your chat box, okay? Okay, here we can see that the poet is speaking about his pets. Which are his pets? Cat, frog, poodle, turtle. Let's explain the poem. My cat knows karate. The poet says that poet's cat knows karate. Okay. Then my frog knows kung fu. Frog is also a pet in poet's house. Okay. This frog knows kung fu. Poet says that this frog knows kung fu. Then my poodle knows judo. You can see the meaning of poodle. Poodle means a breed of dog. That means a type of dog. Okay. Poet's dog knows judo. And my turtle does too. Tortoise. That is, his turtle also knows judo. Okay. What are the things his pets knows?
Cat knows karate.
Yes.
Frog knows kung fu.
Yes.
Turtle and poodle knows judo.
Yes. Turtle and poodle knows judo. First, cat knows karate. Frog knows kung fu. Poodle means a breed of dog. Dog knows judo and also the turtle knows judo. I think the 4 lines are clear for you. Any doubt? Okay. Then next 4 lines. They all became black belts by watching TV and some Chuck Norris movies and films with Bruce Lee. Yes. Here the poet says that how these pets like cat, frog, poodle and turtle learned this martial arts. How they studied this martial arts. How they all became black belts. Black belts here means, you can see the meaning. Here achieved the highest qualification in martial arts like judo and karate. Yes. These pets achieved the highest qualification in martial arts like judo and karate. How they achieved highest qualification in this type of martial arts like karate, judo and kung fu? By watching TV. They got mastery in this type of martial arts by watching TV. Some Chuck Norris movies. Chuck Norris, Bruce Lee. You can see the meaning of Chuck Norris. Chuck Norris, Bruce Lee, Jean-Claude Van Damme and Jackie Chan. Page number 22. Well-known martial artists and film actors. These persons, Chuck Norris, Bruce Lee. Then in the third stanza, you can see Jean-Claude Van Damme and Jackie Chan. These persons are famous martial artists. Okay. Martial arts means, which are the martial arts? Grace?
Judo, kung fu, karate.
Okay. Judo, Kung Fu, Karate like games are martial arts. These type of martial arts are used for what? This type of activities are for what? Martial arts are for self-defense or preventing attack from others, isn't it? Karate, Kung Fu, Judo like martial arts are for self-defense and prevent attack from others, isn't it? Yes. These pets knows karate, kung fu and judo by watching TV. How they become masters in this type of martial arts? They become masters by watching TV. And some Chuck Norris movies. Chuck Norris is an American martial artist and a film star. These pets watch the movies of Chuck Norris and Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee is also a martial artist and a film actor. By watching the films of Chuck Norris and Bruce Lee, these pets learned what? This type of martial arts. Is it clear? Yes. Okay, then they liked learning lessons from Jean-Claude Van Damme and acting like action film stars Jackie Chan. Yes. These pets liked learning lessons from Jean-Claude Van Damme. Jean-Claude Van Damme is also a martial artist and a film actor. They learned lessons, these pets learned lessons from Jean-Claude Van Damme and acting like action film star Jackie Chan. Yes. Did you know Jackie Chan? I think all of you know about Jackie Chan, isn't it? Yes. These pets act like Jackie Chan. These pets, cat, frog, poodle, and turtle acts like Jackie Chan. Then next stanza, I think these three stanzas are clear for you. Any doubt? It's a simple poem, easy poem, okay? Then they practiced their punches, their blocks, and their kicks until they were masters of martial arts tricks. Yes, these pets practiced their punches. Punch means punch. Yes, Sai Krishna. Okay, that is punch. That is attacking, strike with the fist. This part. Okay, punching. Okay, these pets practiced their punches, then their blocks. Block means the movements to stop your opponent's attack. They can block the attack of their opponents, their opposite ones. Okay, these pets and their kicks. Kick means kick. Okay, that's right. Who's that?
Sautuga.
Yes. Kick. These pets practiced punches, blocks, and kicks until they were masters. Yes. By practicing their kicks, punches, and blocks, they were masters now. Up to a mastery, they practiced these type of kicks, punch, and blocks. Okay. They were masters of martial arts tricks. Yes, now these pets were masters of martial arts. Okay. Then next 4 lines. You would think they would be good now at guarding our house. But yesterday morning they ran from my house. Yes. We think that now these pets are experts in martial arts, isn't it? So it is easy to guard, it is easy to protect the house of this poet, isn't it? For them, for the pets, it is easy to protect the house of this poet because they are expert in martial arts, isn't it? But yesterday what happened? The strange thing that these pets ran from the poet's house. What was the reason? Yesterday morning, they ran from my house. The reason is here in the last stanza of the poem. My mouse is a crack-up. Crack-up means funny. The poet also have a pet. That is a mouse. Poet also have a pet. That is a mouse. This mouse is a crack-up. Crack-up means funny. A funny mouse. I laughed at his prank. Prank means prank. I think you are familiar with the prank. Today in YouTube channels, we are familiar with many pranks, isn't it? What is prank? Yes. Joke. Prank is joke. Joking, just joking. Anyone, okay? My mouse is a crack up. I laughed at his prank. Yes, this mouse make a prank on other pets of that house. Other pets of that house. So these experts in Kung Fu, Karate and Judo ran away because of this mouse. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. Do you think it's weird that my mouse drives a tank? Yes. In the ending line, the poet asks that, do you think it's weird? Weird means strange. It is strange that, poet says that, poet's mouse drives a tank. Tank. Tank is a vehicle used to store equipment for war, isn't it? Tank. In wars, there will be tanks, a vehicle for carrying equipments, okay? Equipments for war. Then, in the ending of the poem, the poet says that it is strange thing that, do you think that my mouse drives a tank? The poem is ended, open-ended poem. It is an open-ended poem and is not clear. Okay. The peculiarity of this poem is the poem is an open-ended poem. All of you please mute your audios. Okay. This poem is an open-ended poem. The poet just concludes by saying that, do you think that it is a strange thing that my mouse drives a tank? Okay. There is nothing in the ending of this poem. Is it clear? Yes. Any doubt? No. Okay, let's revise it once more. Can you explain the meaning of the first stanza of the poem? Who will explain? Here the poets. Okay, Hannah, you can explain. First 4 lines.
My cat knows karate, my frog knows kung fu, my poodle knows judo, my turtle does too. Here the poet's cat knows karate and the frog knows kung fu and poodle. Poodle means a type of dog. That type of dog and the turtle know judo.
Judo. Okay, very good. Then next 4 stanzas of the poem. Who is ready to explain? Very easy. It is very easy to explain. They all became black belts by watching TV, some Chuck Norris movies and films with Bruce Lee.
Miss.
Okay.
Page number
Page number 21. A poem by Ken Nesbitt. Okay. Okay, Edwin, you can explain. Edwin is ready.
The narrators said they all become a black belt by watching TV, by choosing movies and films with Bruce Lee.
Yes. The poet says that they all become highly qualified in this type of martial arts by watching the films of Chuck Norris and Bruce Lee. These 4 lines explain these things. Very good, Edwin. Then the next 4 lines. They like the learning lessons from Jean-Claude Van Damme and acting like action film star Jackie Chan. Who will explain next 4 lines?
Miss Shiza.
Okay.
They learn lesson from Jean called Van Damme and acting like actor film star Jackie Chan.
Okay, can you explain that?
No.
Okay, then anybody is ready to explain? Hannah, you got 1 chance. Any other? It's an easy poem. You can easily get the meaning of that lines. Try to explain. Anybody can try to explain, okay? Edwin and Hannah got 1 chance. Any other? Abel, can you explain? All of you, please turn on your videos, okay? Abel, can you explain? They like the learning lessons. That's the answer.
No, miss.
No. What's the reason?
കിട്ടുന്നില്ല കുറെ പൈസ കിട്ടുന്നില്ല.
Okay. Grace, can you explain? Try to explain.
Explain ചെയ്താൽ മതിയോ?
Okay, you can explain.
ഈ പെറ്റ്സ് ഇത് ചെയ്യാൻ പഠിച്ചത് ഈ ഫിലിം ആക്ടേഴ്സ്
Jean-Claude Van Damme.
Jean-Claude Van Dammeയുടെ കയ്യിലും ജാക്കി ചാന്റെ ഇതും കണ്ടിട്ടാണ്.
Yes, very good. These pets learned these lessons from watching the films of Jean-Claude Van Damme and Jackie Chan. Before this, in the second stanza also, we get the same meaning. They studied lesson from Chuck Norris and Morris. In this third stanza, we get the meaning Jean-Claude Van Damme and Jackie Chan are helped to learn them these lessons. Okay. Then the fourth stanza, they practiced their punches, their blocks, and their kicks until they were masters of martial arts tricks. Okay. Who will explain? Who is that? Josie, can you explain? Okay.
They practice to punch, block, and kick by the masters of martial art. Martial art tricks.
Yes, they practiced their punches, blocks, and kicks until they were masters in this type of martial arts. Here the poet is speaking about their practice. They practiced kicks, punches, and blocks until they were masters in this martial arts. Very good. Then the next stanza, you would think they would be good now at guarding our house, but yesterday morning they ran from my house, from my mouse. Lakshmi Priya, can you explain this?
You would think they would be good now at guarding our house. The pet of this all pets know karate, kung fu, and judo. You would think they would be good now guarding our house. But yesterday morning they ran from my mouse. But yesterday the old pets ran from the poet's another pet, that is mouse.
Yes, very good. Yes, we will think that these pets know everything, so they would protect the house of this other. But what was actually happened? They ran away from poet's house because of one of poet's pets, mouse. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Then next one, last stanza of the poem. My mouse is a crack up. I laughed at his prank. Do you think it's weird that my mouse drives a tank? Okay, who will explain this last stanza of the poem? Sai Krishna, try to explain. You can.
Miss, Malayalathilu parnju. Malayalathilu.
Okay.
My mouse is a crack up. Ende mouse crack up aanu. I laughed at his prank.
Crack up means funny. The poet says that poet's mouse is a funny one. Okay.
I laughed at his prank. ഞാൻ ചിരിച്ചു അവന്റെ ജോക്ക് കേട്ടിട്ട്.
Yes.
Do you think it's weird that my mouse നിങ്ങൾ ചിന്തിക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ my mouse drives a tank?
Yes. Do you think that poet's mouse drives a tank? This is an open-ended poem. There is not a complete ending for this poem. Okay. Here the poet raises a question and ends his poem. Okay, Edwin, do you have any doubt? No. I think you are raising your hands for asking a doubt. No. Okay. Shall we move to the activities? Yes. Take page number 22 of your textbook. First one, mark these sentences as true or false. Mark these sentences as true or false. First one, the poet's turtle knew karate. Is it true or false?
False.
Yes.
False.
What is the right answer?
The poet's cat knows karate.
Yes. Poet's turtle knows what?
Judo.
Judo. So you can write there false. First one, false. Okay. All of you please turn on your videos. Abel, Mohammed, Adul. Okay. Next one, second one. The poet's pets were trained by masters of martial arts. True or false?
True.
Is it true? Trained by masters of martial arts. No.
False.
False. They were not trained. They practiced simply by looking the films, isn't it? there were no proper training for them. Okay, so that is false. The poet's pets were trained by masters of martial arts. That is false. Right? False. Okay. Third one. The poet's pets practiced their punches, blocks, and kicks. True. True. Yes. The poet's pets practiced their punches, blocks, and kicks. Okay. Fourth one. The pets were fearless and brave.
True alle.
Third one, true. Okay. The pets were fearless and brave. True or false? Adul, is it true or false? The pets were fearless and brave. True or false?
True.
No.
False.
Yes, false. The pets were fearless and brave. That is false. The pets are not brave. If they are brave, they will not run away from the house, isn't it? So we can say that the pets are not brave and fearless. The statement is false. Second, last one, the mouse played a prank on the other pets. True or false? The mouse played a prank on the other pets. True or false?
True.
Yes.
True.
You can write true. The mouse played a prank on the other pets.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, then next one, answer these questions. Answer these questions. How did the cat, frog, poodle, and turtle became black belts? Okay, any doubt?
True or false answer കൂടി പറഞ്ഞ ശരിയാണോ നോക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്.
Okay, first one false. Second one false. Third one true. Fourth one false. And last one true. Is it clear? Yes. So shall we move to the next one? Answer these questions. Yes. How did the cat, frog, poodle, and turtle became black belts?
They all became black.
Okay.
By
By watching.
TV.
By watching TV, especially by watching the movies of Chuck Norris, Bruce Lee, Jean-Claude Van Damme, and Jackie Chan. Okay, is it clear? Okay, I will give the answer. Then I didn't give the answer for Kathy knows karate, isn't it? Because it's you have exam. So today evening I will send. Okay. Exam ഉള്ളത് കൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാനത് സെൻഡ് ചെയ്യാത്തത്. കുറെ പഠിക്കാനില്ലേ, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ്. അപ്പൊ ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ സെൻഡ് ചെയ്യും. Then copywriting also. Okay, I will inform about your copywriting. Then second question, were the animals good at guarding the poet's house? Why or why not? Were the animals good at guarding the poet's house? Yes or no?
Yes, but
Yes. No. Hannah, that. Were the animals good at guarding the poet's house? No. What's the answer? No. Because they were not able to guard the house because they simply ran away from the house of poets because of the prank by mouse. So that we can say that these pets are not at all good at guarding the poet's house. They are not able to protect the poet's house, isn't it? Yes, that is the answer. The animals are not good at guarding the poet's house because they ran away from the house by a prank done by the mouse. Okay. Then the third question. What does the poet mean by the expression crack up? Crack up. What does the poet mean by the expression crack up?
My mouse is a crack.
Yes. What does the poet mean by that?
Laughter at his prank.
No. What may be the meaning? Yes. This we can say that by the expression crack up, the poet says that crack up means someone who plays joke on others. So here the mouse is a crack up. That means the mouse plays joke on other animals. Is it clear? Yes. Then think and answer. Do you think the poem is humorous? Give reasons for your answer. This poem is humorous. You have already said that. Yes.
Yes.
It's a humorous poem. Give reasons for that. What may be the reason? We can say that even though these pets knows the martial arts, karate, judo, kung fu, but they ran away because of a prank done by this mouse. Even though they know karate, judo, and kung fu, but they ran away because of the prank done by this mouse. Isn't it? It is a strange thing. There is an element of comedy in that, isn't it? Okay, I think the answer is clear for you. I will leave the answers. Now, one more activity is there. We can do it in the next class. The next period you will have exam. Exam on that period. 9:50 kala ningada second period English le. Yes, second period. Yes. You will have exam on that period. Okay. എല്ലാവരും കൃത്യസമയത്ത് തന്നെ Zoom-ൽ join ചെയ്യണം. ഞാൻ കുറച്ച് instructions തരും. അതിനുശേഷമായിരിക്കും WhatsApp-ൽ question send ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Okay.
മിസ് മറ്റേ 3 ലെസൺ പറയുമ്പോൾ ലുക്കിംഗ് ഗ്ലാസ് റിവർ കൂടി വരും.
Yes.
അപ്പൊ ലുക്കിംഗ് ഗ്ലാസ് അപ്പം മറ്റേ കാറ്റി വർക്ക് അത് വരില്ലല്ലോ.
അതും വരും.
അപ്പൊ 4 ആവൂല മിസ്?
ഇല്ല. No. Fourth lesson is reaching for the moon. Okay, your time is over. Time കഴിഞ്ഞു. അപ്പോൾ എന്താണ് കൃത്യസമയത്ത് തന്നെ അടുത്ത പീരീഡ് എല്ലാവരും ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യണം. Okay? Bye. See you. Study well. Thank you.